You are now listening to I Am EM. I Am EM. You are now listening to.
We are now tuned in to the same frequency. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Double Talk Podcast. Now, you tuned in to a different station this time. This is your girl, Dania DeFrance. We are not here with my other half, Deanna Montori. This is going to be a new section to our podcast, which I'm super excited about. And it is called Imagined Emotion. Okay, now Imagine Emotion is going to be our guided meditation. It's going to be like a guided journey. This is for anybody who desires more self-awareness. If you have challenges with focusing, imagining, like myself at times, but if you're looking to learn how to be present and tap into your superpower, your personal power, and to elevate your life, this is for you. Okay? So, welcome to Imagined Emotion. Before we begin, you can be wherever you want to be. You can be laying down, you can be standing up, you can be working, you can be wherever you are. But as long as you're present, and to get to that, we're going to breathe in. So, let's do 3 deep breaths. Y'all ready? Okay, the first one, breathe in through your nose, breathe in. Hold it. Release. Out your mouth. 2 more. Breathe in. Hold it. Release. Last one. Breathe in. Hold it. Release. Relax those shoulders. Okay, let's start. Imagine you're in your room and your phone rings. You answer it, you try to speak, but you can't. Your mouth is glued shut. You can't talk. You tried everything in that quick moment to spread your lips apart, but the more you try, it hurts. Then you hear a familiar voice on the phone reminding you of the call you answered. You begin to listen to the voice, and oddly enough, it's you. Your voice sounds excited and sharing with you all of the new experiences this other you experienced this past week. But it doesn't sound like nothing you experienced. So you kept listening. Everything your voice is sharing with you were things that you dreamed of. You dreamed of getting to do these things, but you stopped working. You stopped working towards those dreams. Your voice is so happy and overly joyed, but you still can't talk. Your voice tells you that the reason you lost your voice was because every doubt you spoke out about your life and your journey was altering the new experiences in the future. Your voice then tells you that the only way to get your voice's experiences is if you change the words you speak. You can only use uplifting and powerful words that can add hydration to your throat. Your voice tells you the importance of watering yourself with love, gentleness, motivation, and prayer. And if you continue to do these things, your voice will be back to lead you. Back to lead you to even bigger dreams that you couldn't even imagine before. Your voice says, speak light. Your words are your power. And then the call ends. Breathe in. Hold it. Release. So I ask you, how have you been speaking over your life? How have you been talking to and with yourself? Will your words lift you or destroy you? Really take these questions in and being honest with yourself, being honest with how you feel, being honest with what you have been experiencing and how you've been talking, and really ask yourself, will the words you choose to use, that you have been choosing to use, has it been lifting you up or has it been destroying you? Has it been putting you down? Really ask yourself, how have you been speaking over your life? We only have one that we know of. How have you been speaking over this one? Ask yourself, how have you been talking to and with yourself? I thank you for joining the very first I Am EM meditation on a double team podcast. I really pray that this touched you or gave you what it was that you could receive in this very moment. Thank you for doing this with me. But take these questions in, really take it in, sit with it, and really ask yourself these questions. We can have this beautiful, beautiful life that we desire, that we dream of. We can have heaven on earth. But how can we have heaven on earth if we're speaking death upon our journey? Be gentle with yourself. Be gentle. All right. Peace and love, y'all.